on my way home to Tarrytown. We had a pretty bad storm. I was driving down 57 South in Illinois and actually drove right through or under the funnel cloud. Almost blew the car off the road. Cars parked on the side of the highway and all kinds of stuff. And I was like, wow, that was nuts. Had I realized what I was driving through, I wouldn't have done that. Then I got a message from my mom saying that the power was out in Gary. You know, power outage, okay, you know, it's a bad storm. So, you know, I wasn't really thinking it was bad. But then she said one of our neighbors' roof got blown off. And I was like, blown off? Nah, it couldn't have been that bad. But it's actually worse. It's actually way worse than what I was imagining. So I'm on the way home now that I realize just how bad the damage got in my neighborhood. I'm about to go check it out. Kind of scared to see what's going on. So we're coming into my neighborhood now, and there's still some houses that don't have power. It's very dark. Like, this phone really makes it look brighter than what it actually is out here. Like, it's very dark. Extremely dark. I see some houses still have power. Yeah, I see the police lights, cherries and berries up there. My heart is like in my stomach right now. Man. Just as I thought, they got 21st block. Oh my God, look at all this damage out here. Oh. God damn. This is crazy. There's debris everywhere. Somebody's purse. Yeah, these houses have no power. I don't know how I'm gonna get to my house. I don't know where I'm gonna. Oh shit. Y'all can't really see what oh my God. Look at all the debris by the church. It's crazy. Oh, I wish y'all could see it. It's kind of dark. Excuse me. Y'all can tell by my voice, I'm more than a little flustered. And my neighbor's houses are out. The streets are flooded. Like, this street normally floods all the time, but not like this. Oh my God. See, I have to go that way to get to my house. There's damage to these people's houses back here. Fuck. All of these houses, no power on this block. Or on this side of the block, anyway. It's way darker than what the phone is making it look like. My heart is yeah, my house is dark. No power in my house. In that little dark spot, my house is right there. Fortunately, our house escaped damage, but other houses on our block, they weren't so lucky. just wow. Look at all that shit down there. Man. I'm about to go park real quick. And further down the block, there's trees down on houses. His roof's gone. If you guys have seen the social media pictures of Tarrytown, that went out right after the storm passed. Jesus. Like all the devastation down there.